In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Samsung calendars on Android. By the end, your Samsung Calendar and Google Calendar will always match on your phone. First, open Settings on your Samsung phone. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. When it opens, you will see sections like Connections, Sounds and Vibration, Notifications and more. We will work inside these system options to link your calendars. Now tap Accounts and Backup. This section handles everything related to the accounts on your phone, as well as backup options. When you tap it, the screen will change and you should see items like Manage Accounts, Samsung Cloud, or similar tools, all grouped in one place. Next up, tap Manage Accounts. This is where all the accounts signed in on your phone are listed, such as Google, Samsung, Microsoft, or others. You are telling the phone that you want to check or change how one of these accounts syncs data like calendar events. From there, select your Google account. Tap on the account name that shows your Gmail address. If you have more than one Google account, choose the one that holds the calendar you actually use. After you tap it, you will move to a screen with options specific to that Google account. Now tap Sync Account. This opens a detailed list of what that Google account syncs with your phone. You will see switches for items like Contacts, Calendar, Drive, and maybe others. Each switch controls whether that type of data is kept in step between Google and your device. At this point, make sure Calendar is turned on. The calendar switch should be blue or in the on position. If it is off, tap it once to enable sync. Once it is on, your Samsung phone is allowed to pull calendar events from your Google account and send any new events back to Google. With that ready, tap More in the upper right corner, then choose Sync Now. On many Samsung phones, this is shown as 3 vertical dots. When you tap Sync Now, the phone immediately starts updating all the items that are enabled, including Calendar. You might see small spinning icons next to each entry until syncing finishes. Once the account side is set, open Samsung Calendar, find the Calendar app icon on your home screen or app drawer, and tap it. When it opens, you should see your month, week, or day view with any events that were already on the phone. Next, tap the Menu button. This is the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of Samsung Calendar. The menu will slide out from the side and show a list of all calendar sources on your phone, grouped by account. Look under your Google account. You should see your Gmail address there, with one or more calendars listed beneath it. For example, a main calendar and maybe extra ones. These are the same calendars stored in your Google account online. Make sure the calendars you want are checked or enabled. Each calendar has a colored checkbox. If a calendar is unchecked, its events will not appear on your Samsung Calendar view. Tap any unchecked calendar you care about so it gains a check mark. Events from those calendars will appear immediately. If necessary, use the Calendar Sync or Refresh option. In the Samsung Calendar menu, you may see a small sync or refresh icon. Tap it once to force Samsung Calendar to pull the latest events from Google right away. After a moment, any new or changed Google events should show up on your calendar grid. You have now synced Samsung Calendar with your Google Calendar and confirmed the right calendars are visible. If this helped you keep your events in one place, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear Android tips like this.